Let's take a look at the import test case action. Inside this test suite, we have a sign up test case, and I want to import a test case here. So, for example, I want to import a test case that will dismiss the pop-up that appears. So let's say, okay, and now from the action drop-down, we select the import test case option. And here we'll select what test case we want to import. So we can filter by project and by test suite. So I'll look for the reusables test suite to import the dismiss pop-up test case. And let's actually take a look at that test case. So in a separate browser tab, let's look in the reusables suite and in this test case. So you can see inside this test case, we have an if statement that checks if the pop-up is present. And if the pop-up is present, it will click on the element with the ID close, and then it will end the if statement. So I might need to reuse this logic in several places. So that's why it's good to keep it in a separate test case that I can import. It's just like in programming where you define a function and then whenever you need it, you just call it. You don't have to write the same thing twice. The same logic applies in Endtest. Okay, let's click on this and let's save. So now if you take a look at this step, you can even see the name of the imported test case here. So for example, if you're accessing this test case, you're looking at the steps and you're wondering, okay, what am I importing here? You just click on this and it will take you to that exact test case and you'll know what's there. So it's really easy to understand what's happening.